Hello, my name's Kev from DataSights, and in this video we're going to talk through probably one of my favorite pages, the SQL Editor. Right, so if you do want to edit SQL, this is obviously the page where you come. You can also come and view the SQL here by simply clicking on it there. Don't worry about that error, let's go and find a view that actually has some data in it. And then you're free to go and pretty much run whatever SQL you want over your database. Look, as to then, so the key part is really, again, the context, right-click context menu, so you can see what columns on there. If I wanted to just select, we could do that, or by left-clicking. And most importantly, if we want to go and edit the SQL, we can come in here. Now, to edit SQL, if we wanted, for example, to get rid of this section, we said bank transactions is not important for this particular query, then we can come in here, click Alter View, and hit execute, and then it will say commands completed successfully. Now, if we went in again and view definition, that is all gone. So I hope that makes sense. You know, at the end of the day, it's your data, it's your asset. Please go and create the views you need to make your reporting more performance, scalable, and maintainable. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.